Hi, Baby Joey. You like fruit? What's that, Baby Joey? Apple. Shares apple. Shares again, Mommy. Na shares. Shares apple. 1, 2, 3. Share. Yummy. Apple.
Yummy apple.
Yummy apple.
Eat pa ko, mami.
Yummy apple.
Fruits daw.
Mm.
Gusto ya.
Nami, tayo na, baby. What it tastes like? What it tastes like? Apple.
Apple.
It tastes like apple.
Like, lagyan nyo yung apple. Kanya dili siya.
This one, apple.
Oh, that's apple. Wow.
What is this?
Apple.
Ah, apple pa na.
And this is one. What's that?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. This is a
Wow.
papaya.
I love papaya. And I love Joey too.
Papaya.
This is an apple.
This is your apple.
That's orange.
This orange.
Ah, that's your orange. You want to open orange?
They open orange.
I'll open na ko orange.
Whoa.
Oh my God, orange. You like it?
Ito na siya. Ito na.